Today I'm gonna create this eye makeup look, eye makeup tutorial, because I think I haven't seen anyone doing like eyeshadow tutorials anymore on YouTube. But today I'm gonna do for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Forever Dynamic. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is so beautiful. You can walk with the nude shades or with the pink shades. Absolutely stunning, plus you get a glitter at the same time. Today I'm gonna work with this palette. I'm gonna do a very easy eye makeup look and let's get started.